My name is Dickerson G, Harmon, and I'm 24 years of age. I'm from Margibi, Liberia, West Africa. Currently, I'm being trained in welding, to be specific, the MMA process, also known as stick welding, at the Southern African Institute of Welding in South Africa. So far, my experience has been with regards to the different positions at which welding is performed. Before coming to South Africa, I had the perception that it is not possible to weld in any other position apart from the downhand position. But now I've acquired skills that allow me to perform well in all positions, ranging from flat to horizontal, vertical, and out of the overhead position. And I can weld fillet plate to plate, fillet plate to pipe, fillet plate to plate, and also pipe butt weld. There are two things that motivated me. One has to do with passion for the TVET sector, and another has to do with the current gap that is within my country. I will give you an example. We have companies in Liberia that order their workers from outside due to the fact that they don't see qualified Liberians to carry out such a job. So by becoming a technical teacher, I feel that I can personally contribute to solving such a problem. The expectation of the Liberian government, the funding partners, and that of the Liberian people is high. But I want to assure them that I'm bringing back the required skills and expertise that are in line with the SAIW standard in helping to take the welding industry of Liberia to the next level. So with all my trade in Liberia, I see that Liberia will constantly be importing these fabricated equipment instead of producing their own. First of all, I want to take this time to express my heartfelt gratification to the Liberian government, the European Union, the government of Sweden, and that of UNIDO for affording such an opportunity to young Liberians. And I want them to see reasons so as to continue supporting the TVET sector, thus providing more opportunity for the Liberian youth. And to my fellow youth, I want to encourage you to believe in yourself, work hard, make use of every opportunity, and you can achieve your full potential if you just believe you can.